This one is just a simple bean and cheese quesadilla. These snacks will fuel children's learning and play at our KinderCare centers, but they could also be great snack pack ideas for your family. And you can use flour tortillas or corn tortillas if your family's gluten-free, or if you just prefer corn tortillas, that works well. And then any type of bean can be used here. Today we've got pinto beans. With canned beans, you always want to make sure to drain and rinse those really well. And then we've got some extra optional items that you can add, things like corn. Again, this can be a fresh, frozen, or a canned option. Herbs are like vegetables, power loaded. People think of them as just being a seasoning, but they really are the powerhouse of the vegetable family. So make sure and incorporate those in, and it's like a serving of vegetables with just a little amount. So we've got 2 tortillas, and we're just gonna add some beans on there. This is something your kids can definitely help with, even your littlest ones. And just have them spread the beans around. Anywhere between a 1/4 cup to a 1/3 cup is just plenty. We're gonna add a handful of cheese, sprinkle it on there. And that's the basic one after we just put this tortilla on to cook it. But if you want to add other ingredients in, feel free. So we can add a little bit of corn. We can put a few cilantro leaves in there. Whatever you have on hand. If you've got chicken and you know your child loves to have some chicken and cheese in their quesadilla, that works great. Then we're going to put the second one on top and do the same with our corn tortillas. Black beans work great, refried beans. Those are all great options. Add a little bit of cheese just to seal it all up and put our top on there. Give it a little firm press, and then we're gonna stick it in the oven on broil and keep an eye on that. Just about 2 to 4 minutes and they should be ready to go. All right, so these are ready. They just came out of the oven. We did set that on broil. And I usually let mine cool a little bit before I try cutting them, but I'm just gonna transfer these to the cutting board. They smell really good. And as these cool, they'll be really easy to handle. They will not be messy. And then you can just pack these up and they're ready to go. It's fun to have some of these little containers. You can add optional things for dipping, like some sour cream. We've got a little container of salsa here. So that's how we put together another snack pack for a bean and cheese quesadilla.